Hi everyone, this is Elina. This video is an update on the progress that is currently happening in regard to what I have described in the last video. If you haven't seen it, please check it out. The link is above. So I was discussing possibilities and brainstorming on how Ukrainian musicians can currently be helped. As you may know, I myself come from Ukraine. So the state of affairs that has to do with my country right now is being very, very deep in my heart, as well as for my entire family, of course. And you may know as well that my husband, Denis Zhdanov, a pianist, the link to his channel is also above. He's also Ukrainian. So we're both trying to help our colleagues, artists from Ukraine who are either displaced or who have remained in Ukraine, and we're looking for the ways how to do it. Luckily, we have found a platform that is called Help Musicians Ukraine. The link is below. Make sure to check it out. And we are honored now to be part of the team. There are opportunities for the artists to find housing, to find study and work possibilities, potential opportunities, and to have lessons, music lessons for free, of course, if you are a displaced artist. And also what's cooking, which is my personal initiative, something I wanted to do for a while, but now I think it might be crucial, it might be needed, I hope it will be, is hosting masterminds, group Zooms for the people who are either displaced or remaining in Ukraine, for musicians, for artists, and to help them mentally in a way that, well, our goal is to make them feel that they're not alone. And guys, if you're from Ukraine, if you have been watching this video right now, I'm telling you that you're not alone. Please connect with me personally. Comment below this video. Fill out the form on my website. There is a contact form. Fill out the form on the website of Help Musicians Ukraine. Connect with us, please, because if you feel like something strange is happening, you cannot find purpose for your life, you don't know what to do, and I'm sure that every Ukrainian feels this way right now, but it can be very difficult for the artists who ended up in different countries, who feel like there is no purpose in the art that we are doing. This is a very existential crisis that might be happening to many artists out there. I myself could not practice for, I think, more than a month or something. It's normal. I mean, it's not normal what's happening. It's horrible what's happening, but we all have our limits. And my goal is to reconnect with the people who are going through a very difficult time, with the creatives, with artists, so with my colleagues, and to help with what I personally can help. My husband, Denis Zhdanov, is offering free piano lessons to Ukrainian students who are applying perhaps to conservatories, universities around the world right now. I will also include the link below. Check it out. If you're a pianist, if you need help preparing your rep for exams, right now there are many exams taking place all over the world. His students, who he was coaching, they recently got into the École Normale in Paris and the conservatory in Antwerp in the Netherlands. So I think he's quite good, but you can check out his channel. So you have that opportunity. Also, check out the opportunities on the website Help Musicians Ukraine about free lessons. And there are many other things, very useful resources that you can find on the website. And you can sign up for the newsletter because we're going to be sending updates. I'm going to create this same video pretty much in Ukrainian as well, so it's more relevant to the people who don't speak English very well. But I'm making it in English on purpose because if you're not a Ukrainian artist, let's say, but you know someone who needs aid in this situation, if you have a friend, a colleague, if you have heard of a Ukrainian artist displaced or who is there and they need assistance, please redirect them to Help Musicians Ukraine, because the team is amazing and I'm sure that it will be growing, and we are looking to help with what we can, with our skills, with our knowledge, with the resources that we have living in different countries, because the team is very global. And we know that the people currently need help. And sometimes this help can be, if they have everything, if they are safe, if they have housing, but this help can be something as having tea over Zoom. And that's our goal, is to create a cozy atmosphere in a group, even if people have a shelter, if they have food, if they are okay with the visa, and if they don't need anything urgent. But this is not it. This is not where it ends, you know. So we are there to provide aid on different, let's say, different levels of support that one might need. I hope that you will spread this video around and you'll be in touch, and that if you know people from Ukraine, artists particularly from Ukraine, musicians, they will be in touch with us. So this was just a quick update I wanted to give today, and I will be recording more videos on things, how has it been going, and I am also looking to come back into my loop, which was generally posting a video per week. That's in progress. I'm catching up, and I hope everyone is now safe, relatively at least, and sound. And yeah, let's stay united, because there is no other way, especially in situations like this, in such moments in history. Once again, from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank the entire team of Help Musicians Ukraine, as well as to each and every one of you who has helped, and you probably have helped much more than you think, to any Ukrainian. On behalf of all the Ukrainians, this is my duty to be grateful publicly out there. So thank you so much for everything that you've been doing, and I will see you in the next video. Hit the like, not for me, but to help the algorithm spread this video for a wider crowd, and make a comment, because that's engagement, and that's also going to help the video pop into the featured. You know, the likes and comments are not for me but it's that the video would be seen and our resource would become widely popular. Stay well, don't give up, keep creating, subscribe to this channel. Bye.